Have you ever wished you could sound like your favorite celebrity? Maybe Morgan Freeman, Ariana Grande, or even Elon Musk? Well, thanks to AI voice technology, that dream is no longer science fiction. In this video, we're diving into one of the craziest tools online, AI voice changers that can turn your voice into anyone's in just seconds. Let's start with what's happening behind the scenes. AI voice cloning works by analyzing hours of voice data, pitch, tone, rhythm, and accent to create a digital copy of someone's unique voice pattern. Then, when you speak, the AI maps your voice onto that pattern, generating a near-perfect impression in real time. One of the most popular platforms doing this is Voicify.ai. With Voicify, you can upload a short audio clip, choose a celebrity voice from hundreds of options, and instantly hear yourself transformed. Want to sing like Drake or talk like Obama? Just one click, and it's done. Another powerful tool is ElevenLabs, known for its ultra-realistic voice cloning. While it's mostly used for podcasts, audiobooks, and content creation, many creators use it for fun, turning their ordinary narration into celebrity-style performances. But here's where things get interesting, and a little scary. AI voice cloning has sparked major ethical debates. Because if an AI can copy a celebrity's voice perfectly, what stops someone from using it for scams or fake statements? That's why platforms like ElevenLabs now include strict verification and watermarking systems to prevent misuse. Still, when used responsibly, this technology is incredible. Imagine dubbing videos in multiple languages using the same voice tone, or bringing historical figures back to life for education, or even customizing virtual assistants to sound like your favorite movie characters. So next time you hear a celebrity's voice online, you might want to ask yourself, is that really them, or just AI? Because in 2025, the line between real and artificial is blurrier than ever. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.